Hello, Mike Mackler, Athletic Director here at GCIT. It is our Athlete of the Week segment. We're going to start off with the Male Athlete of the Week, Jeremy Kazmierski. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jeremy is a member of the boys soccer team. Jeremy, what grade are we in?
I'm a sophomore.
What program?
Engineering.
And what town are we from?
Gibbstown.
So, as of this taping, the team is 7-6. We won the NJTAC semifinal game yesterday, 2-1. Nice win. Gets us into the final. So, you know, we're a little bit more than halfway through the year. Jeremy, how have you seen the season go so far?
I think our season is going pretty well so far. That win yesterday was pretty big for us. Now we're in the finals and looking to win the tech tournament.
You guys have been some really exciting games so far. We had a nice overtime win on Senior Day against Williamstown. Like you said, the tech tournament. It just seems like, you know, we've got a lot of new guys coming in and plus our returning lettermen gelling together. Is that how you see it?
Yeah, it's a really good team that we have.
So how long have you been playing soccer for?
I've been playing soccer for probably about 8-10 years.
And what position do you play?
I play center back. Okay.
And, you know, at GCIT, it's a little bit different. You know, we have people from different towns and things that come in. You know, we have, like I said, we're a little bit more than halfway through the season. We got some big games coming up. You know, the NJSA playoffs. Also, you know, we're in that championship game of the Tech. What are some goals that you have as an individual and as a team?
My goal is just keep getting better, help the team out as much as I can, play some good defense. Hope we get some wins. Okay.
What's one of the best things about playing soccer here at GCIT?
I think it's got to be the people. They're all like pretty good together, work pretty good.
And what's one of the best things about going to school here?
The academics are really good here.
Okay. Well, listen, congratulations. Wish you, the team, the best of luck the rest of the season.
Thank you.
Our Athlete of the Week, Jeremy Kazmierski. Continuing our Athlete of the Week segment, we're going to do the Female Athlete of the Week, Layla Connor. Layla, congratulations.
Thank you.
Layla's a member of the girls soccer team. Layla, what grade are we in?
I'm a senior.
And what's your program here?
Cosmetology.
And what town are we from?
Franklin Township.
Franklin Township. So, like we said earlier at this taping, we're a little bit more than halfway through the season. Played a lot of good games, some good schools. How have you seen the season go so far?
We've been doing really well against a couple tough teams. So far, I mean, we've had a few oncoming freshmen, and it made the team quite better. But we're doing really well.
So, how long have you been playing soccer for?
I'd say about 11 to 12 years. For a long time.
And what position do you play?
I'm a goalie.
All right, so a goalie, very unique position. Is it something you know when you first started playing you wanted to do?
So I started off as up top, striker, and I was doing that for a little bit when I was younger. But then I switched to goalie, and I liked it ever since. So I stuck with that. Okay,
and it's tough position. I mean, sometimes not a lot of action, but then a lot of action comes on to you.
Yeah.
So, but you enjoy that? You like that?
Yeah, it's really nice. So
we had talked about earlier, like you said, we had lost some players. We did have some returning players, but a lot of younger kids have come up, have contributed a lot to the team. Yeah. How's that mix gone so far?
It's going really well, actually. I mean, we lost great players, but we also had a lot of great players come in, so it just makes our team extra strong, and we're doing really well. So. Okay.
Do you have a favorite team or anything like that you follow in soccer?
Not really. I mean, if I had to say, probably just the Union.
Okay.
Nothing too special.
That's a good. So, like I said, we're coming up to that time. As of this taping today, we have a NJTAC game. We win that. We go to the championship game, playoffs. What are some goals that you have as a player and for the team for the rest of the season?
Probably just keep working hard, doing my part, and just keep being competitive and working with my team and encouraging them throughout the season.
Okay. What's one of the best things about playing soccer here at GCIT?
Probably a lot of the friendships that I made through my years of being here. It's really nice, and I have a lot of good friends through soccer.
And what's one of the best things about going to school here?
Probably mostly the same thing. A lot of people from different schools, and like getting to know new people and getting out of my shell, and just like being able to like be me around other people.
Okay. Well, listen, best of luck to you and the team rest of the season, and congratulations on being named Athlete of the Week.
Thank you.
Female Athlete of the Week, Layla Connor.